To fix Shopify collection not showing up, follow these steps. First, check the collection status. Ensure it is set to visible and not hidden. Go to your Shopify admin panel, navigate to the Collections section, and click on the collection you want to fix. In the Collection Details page, make sure the visibility option is set to visible. Next, verify the collection conditions. Ensure the products within the collection meet the conditions set. Check the collection type, whether it is manual or automated, and verify that the products match the conditions. For automated collections, check the condition rules, such as product tags, vendors, or price, and ensure the products meet these rules. Then, check the product status. Ensure the products within the collection are set to active and not draft. Go to the Products section and verify that each product in the collection is active and has a valid price and inventory. Additionally, check the theme settings. Ensure the collection is included in the theme. Some themes may have specific settings for collections, so verify that the collection is included in the theme and that the theme is set up to display collections. Finally, check for any technical issues, such as caching or plugin conflicts. Clear your browser cache, and try accessing the collection from a different browser or device. Also, check for any plugin conflicts by disabling recently installed plugins and verifying if the collection appears. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the issue with your Shopify collection not showing up. Remember to always verify the collection status, conditions, and product status, and check the theme settings and technical issues to ensure your collection is visible and accessible to customers.